Hey, I'm Kim Trathen, and I am all about helping you sign more clients online. So I'm excited to share with you these short tips from my free live business coaching sessions. I hope you enjoy it and find the video helpful.
But one of the mistakes that I see women make is downplaying the importance of market research. Okay, I know market research doesn't sound sexy. I know market research doesn't sound fun. I know in my heart of hearts, because this was me, that if you are early in your entrepreneurial career and you have never done something like this before, market research can almost be paralyzing. It can be so scary to put yourself out there and talk to people, especially when your vision is not 100% fleshed out. Here is what I want to encourage you to do. If you are brand new into your business, or if you have been running a business but you want to pivot, okay, this applies in both of those situations. It is so important to talk to people, not your mom, not your sister, because even if they're your ideal client, but my mom could buy my such and such, okay, she's probably not going to give you honest feedback. And you need to have market research calls with people that are going to give you honest feedback, not people that are just going to tell you everything you do is amazing and great and smells like roses. Okay, you need honest feedback from people. The worst thing that can happen, and my heart goes out, and if you've done this, you can't beat yourself up for it, okay? You just have to pick yourself up and move on. But my heart goes out to women when I see them build an entire program. They have the workbooks, they have the videos, they have the emails ready to send, they have the entire program built, and then it doesn't sell. And they don't know what went wrong. 9 times out of 10, there's a chance that's a made up statistic, okay? Just qualifying that. So often when that has happened, the women that I talk to never did market research to see what their ideal clients actually needed, and they missed the mark. And sometimes that mark, it may be a 1-degree pivot, and it can make all the difference in the world with how you are selling your program, how you're marketing your program, how you're talking about your programs, and the perception from your client's end. Okay, market research can be super scary and it can feel overwhelming. But the most important thing that you can do, again, whether your business is brand new or you're looking to pivot, you need to connect with the people that you view as your ideal clients. And it has to be people that are going to give you honest feedback. Now, if you're just starting your business and you think, okay, I think I want to work with female entrepreneurs, okay, you're not looking for them to validate your worth as an entrepreneur. Okay, that's a really big distinguishing factor. You are not asking their permission to launch your business. You are not looking to them to quantify with some value that you can help people, okay? You are already looking at starting a business. You already know your knowledge. You already know your expertise. What you're looking for in the market research phase is to make sure that the paid program that you're going to offer is what your clients actually need. Okay, that is the importance of market research. So some of you know, or you may have seen the post in the group, I did another round of market research because I was revamping my one-to-one coaching. I want to really, really narrow in on that. Okay, so I hopped on the phone. I got on the phone with 8 women and asked some really pointed questions about the program that I was developing. Okay, I'm not asking anybody's permission to be a coach. I'm not asking anybody's permission to offer these services. But if you never talk to somebody that is your ideal client and you don't hear their viewpoint, you can be setting yourself up for failure when you go to sell that program if you have missed the mark on what they actually want.
All right, That's it. I hope you enjoyed the training and you found it helpful. And listen, if you want to be business besties, join me over on Facebook in the Ambitious Female Entrepreneurs group so you can catch all my trainings live and ask your questions. Just go ahead and click the link below.